The ugliest cameraman holding it.
Y'all Jamaican?
Yeah, man, I yard man. Straight Jamaican. Yeah, what?
Go suck you.
No, yo,
If you ain't subscribed to him,
Hey, but I got one question for y'all. Where we at right now?
we in the Miami.
it's your boy White Pree, now back with another vlog in this bitch.
Yeah. Vlog it though.
Y'all, so we going to this restaurant right here. Yes, sir. Good eats, good eats.
What it do? J-Double.
Yeah, sir. So look, we at this open market right now. Dang. Yeah, we done met some new friends, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me cut the mic on, because there's music in here. So you probably can't really hear me that good. But yeah, as I was saying, we had this open market right now, you know what I'm saying? They got food. About to go get some food, see what they hollering about. And it's lit. What y'all getting? What you getting?
Dick.
I don't think they sell that here. I mean, you could go outside.
I'm not buying it. I'm just getting it for free.
What are you getting to eat?
What do they sell here?
They got
Nuts. Got him.
They got Yumi. They got Yumi.
What's that?
I don't know. Go ask the people. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. This might just be a mini vlog / public interview. What you about to eat?
I want some chicken.
Some chicken?
Yeah.
You don't want no dick like your friend?
I don't want to what?
No dick like your friend?
No. All this shit whack out here.
You sure?
This shit whack out here.
So what you telling me is you had a bad experience?
Everybody always had a bad experience.
Out here though. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
All spring break.
Yes.
Sheesh. Sheesh. She want me.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
So what you gonna get to eat?
Shit, I'm not eating nothing.
Why you not eating it?
Why I'm not eating nothing?
So look, I had asked the girl what she want to get to eat, and guess what she said?
What, chocolate?
Dick.
Who's dick?
I don't know.
Hey, yeah, come here. Hey, you know much fucking girl missing and them the girl let them out that we can't step.
So look,
Go do the right thing.
we about to go do this public interview. Make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. We out.
Hey man, no free promo.
Damn, facts.
Huh?
Good, bro.
That's good, brother.
My bad, bro. You got that on vlog?
Yeah.
Bro?
You know what time it is.
You know who this is?
The ugliest cameraman holding it.
Hey, do that for me. Do that for me.
Hey. Come on.
Back on the vlog side, you know what I'm saying? So we out here on the strip. They holding snakes and shit in the back, you know what I'm saying? I ain't on that. Yeah, you trying to be in my vlog? What's your name?
Ryan.
Brian. How you doing today?
Good.
That's good. How your spring break going?
It's good. My birthday's Sunday, so.
Birthday Sunday? This Sunday? Okay, happy birthday when it comes, you know what I'm saying? How old you turning?
24.
24. Ooh, we lit. What's the sign?
Pisces.
Pisces? That's not the fishes, is it? Man, I yard man in them and I really like fish, you know? I yard man.
Water.
Okay. So look, question of the day. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
I'm gonna do 10. Probably if I can do more than 10, I'm gonna bust that motherfucker.
You gonna bust that motherfucker? So like balls and all?
Yeah, I'm grown. Hell yeah.
Double hand twist?
Yeah. I mean, I don't do the double hand shit, nothing, because my mouth's ignorant, you feel me? So I just get in and get out.
So I know you swallowing though. You ain't spitting.
For sure.
Alright, she lit. This is what we like to hear.
Now walk away from me. I like that.
No, I knew that was you.
Go ahead, shout your Instagram out.
Raya 2 times RIAHH 2XS. Follow me, y'all.
Follow her, you know what I'm saying? But and we out.
You saw I sent that bitch to law school. Keep it real with your dog, no matter what. Same bitch that twice she love you, she'll set you up. Free. I ain't in the streets, she ain't no such thing as love. Free. The only thing I trust is this pistol and my shot.
It's deep as fuck out here. Man. We out this bitch. Look, make sure if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Spring Break 2022 is lit. If you're not out here, you do.
2 hours later.
It's your boy White Pree, I'm back with another vlog in this bitch.
Yeah. Vlog it though. We outside. We outside.
Is it me? I ain't done it. Why we not outside?
You stupid.
What fuck you talking about? Talking about we not outside. Fuck
Not outside. Nigga, I'm outside, you heard?
Hey, look.
South Beach. Fuck is he talking about?
If you not outside, then you ass. How y'all doing? Y'all outside? Y'all outside?
Y'all outside.
That nigga said we not outside. Fuck on him. You tripping. You tripping. Fuck on you. Come on. We on the South Beach right now, man. If you ain't here, you tripping.
My guy, you gotta.
How y'all doing? How you doing? So what's up? Where you from?
Outside.
We outside. You outside?
Inside, yeah.
Getting lit. You know what I'm saying? Getting some shit going. I bet. Yeah, South Beach lit, man. Y'all can see coming. We out here. I'm lit right now, too. Hey, man said, road.
Road?
Yeah, road.
Questions?
Wait, girl, let me. No, man, I think this is going running vlog, and I'm not road. Yeah, man, we outside.
We outside.
Show you a little bit what's going on, you know what I'm saying? The good dogs got some.
I knew you were gonna spot this nigga.
Who that? Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I was supposed to hit you up, my boy. Yeah. Nah, Katie said you was out here. I was supposed to hit you up. I have a God. Trying to get into it. Some videos. You watch that last video, my boy. Trying to drop another one, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We out here, though. What you getting into tonight, you know what I'm saying? They out here, bro. What? Out
Here on the vlog, you heard? Boy, put me outside, you heard?
Yeah.
On South Beach. I don't even know, bro, but you can really out here trying to do what it do.
Alright. Yeah.
What it is. Crazy,
yeah. Too much.
Crazy,
Brick and the I pull up in that every slingshot in the world.
How y'all doing? Can you say hi to my vlog? How's that spring break going so far? Good? Y'all having fun?
Yeah.
That's good to hear. Alright, have a good night.
Thank you too.
How y'all doing?
How y'all doing? Oh, come on.
Nah, you don't look bad. You don't look bad. I promise. Where you from?
West Palm.
You from West Palm? Where y'all going? Y'all having fun? Nah, don't try to hide. You having fun?
Shout out your baby daddies, your mamas, your uncles, whatever it is. You say what's up. That's it.
Alright.
All channels is gonna be on.
White Pree, WHY,
Yo, follow me on
PREE.
Instagram. It's Kelsey Callie in this bitch. You already know the fuck.
With the camera in her face.
Bonfire! How are they bonfire? Lava splash.
Lava.
Thunderbolt, come on there.
Cutting down fire. Yeah, it's a little dark out here, you know what I'm saying? So, but stay tuned. Make sure y'all watch the video. You know what I'm saying? We on South Beach with it. It's spring break.
All the way to
Everybody out
17.
there. Yeah, right now we just walking the strip. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no light really on the street, but we just walking that bit. You know what I'm saying?
Tell them so we outside and the girl them outside. Huh? We outside and the girls them what?
And I got them outside, of course.
Alright, Fats.
What with you, my boy? Yeah, that was that Fatsdabarber, you know what I'm saying? We definitely going up this year. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Spring break lit 2022. Look at these whips. Yeah, but we out here. You know what I mean? We out here on the strip. Vibing, holding it down. Trying to get the vibe, see what's going on. Trying to see where the lit people at. What people getting into tonight. You know what I'm saying? All that. Trying to see what they getting into. How you doing?
Where we at right now? Where we at right now?
Where y'all from?
We outside!
You don't talk? That's what I'm saying.
Say something. She that cameraman. It's okay.
Love that y'all just like shocked me. I'm sorry.
I know. I'm sorry. How you doing?
I'm good.
Where you
Hey
from?
YouTube, follow me at the Pree Nicole. Make sure you put that in your what it's called?
Nah, I almost stepped on it. It's easy. I'm a little, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little other. But pull out your phone, subscribe to my video so you can see my video. I'ma tag you, but you gotta subscribe so you
Y'all
can.
Jamaican? Just go.
Yeah, man, man. Shit, Jamaican. Yeah, what?
Go suck your
No, yo.
Wait, my way I say no, my girl.
Mine way I say no. Mine way I say.
Nah.
Your friend nice, you know? That one is nice. You're kind of.
I'm sorry, that's like the only thing I know how to say. I thought it was kind of cool.
Who told you that?
Girl, he got cool.
No, it's not. Do you know what that means? You know that? Yeah, we got Casamigos Henny. You know what that means?
Put me in your, what is it called? The clickbait?
The thumbnail?
Your thumbnail.
Alright, hold on.
Add me at the Pree Nicole. Alright, what's your YouTube?
White Pree. You got, that's why I told you pull up your phone. You're not gonna
I don't
remember.
got no service.
Alright, just follow me on Instagram then. It's my link in my bio. I'm gonna post it.
What is it? YouTube?
Yeah,
fuck it. What are you
you're not
What's your YouTube?
you gonna take a
WHY.
I don't know if this nigga
Alright, say that.
Okay, I'm subscribed.
Yeah, I just dropped that.
And you better post it. You better
I'ma post it.
tag my Instagram at the Pree Nicole. Okay?
That was a Casa?
Yeah, that was Casa. That was a Casa.
They lit off the Casa.
Oh
Yes,
shit,
sir.
I'm not gonna lean in. Y'all fucking on that.
You had some shots earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
take the shot with her.
Okay. I need to bring my light, man. I'm sorry, y'all, but don't worry. I'm gonna do better next time. I promise. When I hit that 1K sub, everything gonna be Yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, man, we out here, man. Like I said, it's spring break. It lit. You know what I'm saying? We trying to see what he get into. Let's see. Let's go another group right here. How y'all doing? Can you say what's up to my vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Okay. Where y'all from? We taking shots for the vlog. Y'all want?
Yeah.
Y'all want a shot of Casa or Henny?
I'm not talking for Chicago.
Casamigos or Henny?
Casa, word.
In my handy dandy. Back up.
Shots?
What y'all want?
I got the bottle.
Y'all want Hennessy or Casamigos?
I need the bottle.
She's trying to get lit.
Y'all trying to get lit?
Okay. Straight out of the bottle.
That shit nasty.
You don't fuck with a Henny like that? You don't fuck with a Henny like that? That's crazy.
Ain't no more? I got Casamigos. Give me one. Can you just put my shot in my mouth?
Oh, I got you.
She's trying to drive the boat.
She you trying to drive the boat? Drive the boat. You got your shot? Go ahead. I bet. You ain't get yours yet? Yo, what you want? Henny? Henny?
Yeah. Some of y'all my drinks. Look at that shit. Still empty.
Henny. You got it.
What's your YouTube name?
Oh, White Pree, you gotta search it up. You know what
I ain't got no Wi-Fi. No, my phone, no, I ain't got no Wi-Fi though. Y'all, we live right now. We in the 305 with it from 773 and one. But y'all, this how we get on the script. Fuck you somehow. Don't follow us. Follow me on Instagram at Keep It Up All Day. Fuck you somehow.
In Miami right now. What the fuck is
What is you doing? Ask him.
What the fuck is you doing?
Word two.
If you ain't subscribed to him,
Hey, but I got one question for y'all. Where we at right now?
we in the 305 Miami.
Hey, we outside though. We outside.
We outside.
We're outside.
That's how we do it.
We're outside. Hold on, they done caught. Hold on. They done caught Shay Baby on a YouTube video. No. They done caught Shay Baby on a YouTube video. That's crazy. God damn. Right. Why you say that, bitch? That was you?
No, that wasn't me.
Why you say
Spark on the video.
that?
You gotta put a spark on that.
You put that spark on that.
Y'all need to follow me on Instagram.
How y'all doing?
Try to say what's up to the vlog. We outside.
Hey,
I almost fucked myself up.
Where y'all from? Where y'all from?
Having fun though? Chicago? You from the Rat?
Yeah, why y'all say it like that?
What, Chicago?
Yeah.
Cause I'm trying to go out there. That's O Block. I'm trying to.
That's all everybody talk about.
Right, exactly.
That's not what Chicago is all about.
And that's all we know. That's all we know. You know what I'm saying? So, we trying to go to O Block, see King Von Moro and shit like that. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You do me a favor, subscribe to my video.
Subscribe to the channel.
You know what I'm saying?
Subscribe to the channel.
I got it. Let's go on YouTube real quick. Yo, anything you want to say to the vlog?
Go ahead. Say what you gotta say to the
We
Casamigos?
out here having fun in Miami on the motherfucking strip. You hear me?
Right.
Let's go.
You want to try the Henny or Casamigos?
Yeah.
Which one? Henny, Casamigos? Casamigos.
I'm just playing.
Ooh, dead ass.
You really gonna do that?
My nigga. Nah, that ain't mine. Yeah, that's a shot glass. We giving out shots. You want a shot?
No, I don't want no shot.
You got Henny, Casamigos. Yeah, look at you. Which one you want? Which one you? Hold on. Which one? Hold on. What?
Casa?
You got a Casa?
I got the Henny.
Oh, you got the Henny? She want one.
Why everybody scared of the Henny?
She just don't know which one she wants. She just don't know what she wants. Come on, look. You could do your own
I
damage.
don't drink Casamigos.
All right, they go to Henny right here. You do your own damage. Go ahead. We outside.
Get in the bottle.
Casamigos?
Yeah, I want some of those. Okay, look. Hold on, you ready?
We is outside. We is outside. Jonathan, vlog lit. Make sure y'all subscribe. YouTube channel. You vlogging, Will? I bet.
Hey, y'all go subscribe.
Yeah, y'all go subscribe, man. Yeah, tap in. It's a boy White Pree, man. WHYPRE. Yeah. We out here on South Beach. We lit.
That's a vlog, bro.
Yeah, sir.
What's going on now? Nigga, throw it out there, baby.
Yeah. Hell yeah. What you getting into? What you getting into, my boy?
That's how we do it.
Yeah, dumb lit. Tell them.
Hey, somebody need to play some music, bro. I'm saying, bro.
Y'all already know. We out here.
Shit, that ain't fucking fun.
Why you have?
Funny.
It wasn't
Don't
even me.
fucking do it.
It wasn't even me though. It was a long.
Don't put me in camera if I didn't give you permission. I don't know about TikTok shit. I will sue you. Wait, let me see. Can I see?
First of all, you been there. She had the camera. You been that shit.
Drake, come on. All right. Oh, you're fucking right. We in the 305 already. You already know. Then let's move with that shit then. I'm probably ugly as fuck right now. I'm drunk.
He doing a whole new video.
And I got his camera because I'm that bitch. So I can do what I'm fucking fucked up.
Subscribe to my YouTube.
Yeah, I'll subscribe to it. Yeah. Chicago ain't got shit on. Well, I don't know because Chicago be busting, so I don't even know. But yeah, follow me with the light right here. Follow me at Keeping Up With My Name. And y'all already know. We finna get lit. Oh, look at them. Oh. Baby, they get some lit. Cuddy. We in the Cuddy. Who camera do you got? I don't know, but I'm late. Hey, get this one. I'm sorry. Exactly. Let me see, Diddy. Let me see. No, hell no. I can't. No. I'm not. Get this fucking camera. Y'all missing footage. I was just putting foot. You put me on YouTube.
We outside. You heard?
Okay, Cuddy, they want that camera back.
Yeah, let's go. Babysit me. Whoa.
That's how we do it in the 305.
I love South Beach, bro.
This nigga is drunk. This nigga is drunk.
I'm drunk off the Henny.
Drunk. And the Migos.
And some sweet shit that we got that was buns. That shit was terrible.
That shit was damn
put
near
hella
terrible,
fucking casa
bro.
in that whole.
We had to pour
South
a
Beach
whole
lit, my
half
boy. Just know that. South Beach is lit. If you're not out in South Beach right now, you buns. Dead ass.
That ass.
Get some for the vlog. Get some for the vlog. Let's get some for the vlog.
Let me get some. Let me get some.
Get some for the vlog. Get some for the vlog.
Let me get some. Let me get some. Okay, damn. How y'all gonna do my dog like that? Hey, free my nigga. Free my dog. Free my nigga. Hey, free that nigga. Oh shit, they're taking the ass out of the car, bro.
Are you for real?
Damn, we done got them boys
No,
roped.
they racist because the car in front of them.
Hey, we ain't getting them boys roped though. I ain't gonna lie, we ain't getting them boys roped.
Catch that shit off.
Back to back. Boys back to back. Boys back to back. Damn, bro, that's wild. No. Call that boy.
They really pulled up in the nigga just for doing
Just
that?
because he burned out a little. They didn't even do 2 seconds.
Let's try this one now.
Ja. But now I get nobody in trouble. Fuck it. Wow. That's wild. Hold on. What's going on here? Who the driver? What a driver? Oh, that's the driver right there? Oh, I'm about to say. Oh, okay. I thought that boy was going to. I'm about to say. Yeah, we outside.
Really outside.
Really outside.
You heard what it is?
You really outside?
God, they got on that nigga deep as fuck, bro. I'm still mad about that shit. That shit's fucked up, bro.
That shit fucked up, bro.
Yeah. Y'all want some shots?
Hell no. We asking the wrong people. We asking the wrong people, my boy. Alright, look, we out.
Little bitches, take that mask off. Give me them titties back, bitch. And pretty pants. With my shitty ass. Hell yeah, you see that shit? Oh, get behind it. It's right up. What you mean? It's right up. It's right there. Look.
But yeah, man, it's the end of the vlog. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, do all that. You know what I'm saying? If you motherfucking wearing socks right now, make sure you like. You know what I mean? If you love your mom, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe.
Listen.
I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm probably gonna need a sub. Yeah.
The real question is, are we coming back to South Beach? Of course.
Say less, nigga.
We gotta come back to South
We
Beach.
gonna do that.
What you mean, nigga?
We gotta come back to
Beach.
South Beach. We got to come back to South Beach.
What?
It's too lit not to come back to South Beach. You know what I'm saying? We gotta come back before spring break. We gotta come back before spring break, and you know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, roll to 1K. You know what I'm saying? Your boy going up. Share it to all your people, man. Your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your nephew. You know what I'm saying? Your newborn baby. You know what I'm saying? Because I know them kids got YouTube. So make sure they subscribe, hit that like, comment, and share for your boy. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy White Pree. We going up, and we out. Gang.